I will be taking some pre-workout. Super popular Vietnamese restaurant that just opened. Good morning, everyone. I just had breakfast, egg drop soup. I have it every single day. I've had it for like every single day for 5 months now. I am going to the gym to do cardio. I have a photo shoot later in the day, so I might as well just get this out of the way. I think it's around 9 in the morning right now. So I'm gonna put on a little makeup and then head to the gym. Good enough. I will be taking some pre-workout before my cardio. This is the Mammoth Shock pre-workout. I've been using Mammoth since I was like 18, 19 years old. So it's very nostalgic to be back on this. So it is 40 servings, but I take half a scoop, so it stretches out to 80 servings. This is about half. This is the peach candy rings. Oh, peach tsunami. Very, very yummy. For my cardio workout, I usually don't do any stretching. I just walk on the treadmill at a 5 incline at 2 miles per hour for 5 minutes. And then I run at 4.5 miles an hour for 5 minutes. And then I'm walking for 2 minutes, and then 5 minutes running, 2 minutes walking, on and off for 5 cycles. And then I end off with a cooling walk for 10 minutes. And that's basically my cardio sesh every Wednesday and Saturday. It feels super weird to have the camera on me so early in the morning, because usually I'm getting ready, eating, scripting, and then filming. And now I'm just filming everything. I have no idea what to say. My scripts are usually like 45 to 60 seconds on Instagram, or like 8 minutes on YouTube. And now I'm just doing something completely different. So it's super weird, but I hope you guys enjoy this vlog. Just filled up my hydro flask with water and we're ready to go. It looks so gloomy. Before I head to the gym, I do want to tell you guys where I got my outfit from. Top is from Honor Active, bottom is from Aritzia. It's honestly such a nice walk to the gym. It's pretty windy, but I hope you guys can hear me because I have my headphones in. Feels really good to walk in the wind. It's a little gloomy, but it's fine. It still feels really good. Came back from the gym and it's just a perfect time for coffee. I'm drinking Premier Protein. I chug a little and then I pop one of these espresso pods in the espresso machine and then pour it directly in here. If you know, you know. And then I'm gonna shower and then get ready for the photo shoot. Hey guys, I'm setting up here with Hassan to do my first ever photo shoot. I literally have no idea what I'm doing, but hopefully I chose a cute outfit. Alright, so we've taken some pretty cool shots. I think every little thing counts. He's very detailed, and you even brought this reflective thing, which is really cool. I'll just show you guys some of the shots that he took here. These are super cute. Shoot's going well as it could go for my first ever photo shoot, but honestly, some things behind the scenes is that I just have my curler on the whole time, just in case I need to do little fixes here and there. See how this strand is like straight? I'm just gonna like target that strand right here. Shots on my balcony, CN Tower. This is the camera's view, and this is my view. Done filming, shooting. Look at you.
Full gear.
Good morning or afternoon. I did not wake up like this. It's Thursday, and here's what I'm doing today. I already had breakfast and got ready. I just need to go into my closet and choose an outfit for the day. I'm just going to work for a few hours. So I'm filming 2 videos. One video for my finance account. I just spent $10,000 in the stock market on one stock. So you probably already saw it if you follow me on my Instagram, my finance account. And then I wanted to do like another de-influencing you video for my personal Instagram. I say personal, but it's still kind of like work lifestyle. Yeah, I'm sharing 3 of the things that I do. Even though I have like almost $500,000 in assets, you can never save too much money, in my opinion. So I'm gonna choose an outfit for that. And then, you know what? I'm actually gonna wear the same outfit for the full day. I'm going to a Futurepreneur X DoorDash event. It's at Piano downtown Toronto. I've never been to any of these events before, nor have I ever gotten invited to something like this. But after that event, I'm going to the Lunch Lady, which is a super popular Vietnamese restaurant that just opened on Ossington. And I got a rezo thanks to one of the owners, the head chef. So thank you so much for that. He's probably not gonna watch this video, but so that's what I'm doing. I'm gonna go into my closet and I'll show you guys what I choose. Okay, here's the outfit that I chose. I honestly have like 5 solid outfits, and I chose this one because it's business casual. This, I think, would be great. I just hope that I don't get anything on my nice white shirt. Okay, so I'm finished working for today. It's about 4:30 now. I have something super exciting coming out. You guys are probably going to get the email before you even see this video, but make sure if you are not subscribed to my newsletter to subscribe. Now I'm gonna go to that event and then go to Lunch Lady. See ya! Here's the outfit with the shoes. I don't have a purse because I'm just gonna bring my phone. Everything is on my phone anyway. So yeah. Good morning, everyone. Thank God it's Friday. Even though as an entrepreneur, there isn't really such thing as weekends, you're still scripting, editing, filming, etc. So just like how I'm vlogging now, I have to film my weekends as well. So that's just like an added layer of work. But I love to connect with you guys on a deeper level. And this has been sort of fun. Lifestyle influencers are just always on. When the food comes, when you enter a restaurant, when you enter a new space, when you're at the gym, when you're brushing your teeth even, right? So, I mean, it's been fun so far. I don't know how long I can keep this up. Thank God I only told you guys that I do this once a month, which I think is a small enough commitment that I would do it. But editing obviously takes so much longer because instead of editing a 30-second reel, you're editing like a 20-minute, 40-minute vlog, and there's so much footage to go through as well. When I'm filming a scripted reel, I just save a sentence and then, you know, I can cut the camera off and I just know that that clip is going to be usable. But then for a vlog, you're just filming the whole day and then just nitpicking which clips to use. So it's very, very humbling. Lifestyle influencers do a lot of work. I woke up this morning, went straight to work, didn't brush my teeth, didn't have breakfast, and then realized that it's already 10:30. So I went to the kitchen, had breakfast. My schedule is just bonkers. I honestly feel great because I got some work done this morning. I had breakfast, brushed my teeth, and now I'm gonna head to the gym. Sometimes people ask me what I use for my lips, and it's Vaseline. I just take a spoon from the bigger jar of the Vaseline and I just put it in here, and I just carry this with me. I feel like I am a little pale, so I'm gonna put some blush on. Oh, this is the Makeup by Mario Mellow Mauve. And this is my Sephora blush brush. Here's the finished look. It's super minimalistic, I think. I mean, it's just for the gym. And I do wanna just look alive, so. I totally forgot that I made a hair appointment on Monday. I truly just live by my calendar. I'm gonna cut my hair. I think it's really time for a trim. I'm going to trim just like maybe this much of it, and then I do want to tone it. So you see how it's like brown here? This is the color I want. Then it gets lighter down here. I need to get rid of that, I don't know what it's called, brassiness. Someone in the comments correct me because I have no idea. I want it to be one uniform color. Okay, before I go to the gym, here is where my outfit's from. Top is from Honor, bottom is from Honor. I'll have it linked in the description. I literally just got home. I have a meeting in 20 minutes, so I'm just going to pull it up. I don't know why my microphone isn't working. Something always happens when you're in a rush. Okay, so I like to have my meeting on, and I don't press ask to join until I'm ready. I'm gonna show you guys the fastest recipe that has protein and is filling. Grabbing some rice and seaweed salad. Some rice in the microwave for 20 seconds. Remade tuna poke from Costco, a bit of seaweed salad, and I just like to put some soy sauce, Tabasco. It's a must. This is my lunch. I don't even cut it. Macros are incredible, full of protein, and it's really, really yummy. So I'm gonna eat. Oh, so good. Happy Saturday. I'm going to log off and end the vlog here. It's been such a rough 3 days having to film everything. It is another layer of work, and I applaud everyone who can do this on a weekly basis. It really does take up a lot of your time. I am happy to vlog for you guys if you guys like these types of videos. I will still be working throughout the weekend. I have a girlfriend coming over. We're gonna hang out and chill. So I'll see you guys next month for the next vlog.